By to tell us what is he picking up in terms of D-Street chatter. Nimesh, a session where the bears will be feeling good, the bulls are getting nervous.
Oh yeah, absolutely. In fact, we're closing towards the expiry, a bit of nervousness as well, especially in the broader market. So the breadth has been quite weak in today's trade. The flows, again, it's not been very aggressively on the sell side. But the last many days, I've been saying this, that there is no big buying coming in. Even if you look at the institutional data for the last many days, it gets colored because of the large block deals. So if you exclude those, then at the margin, the FIs are not very aggressive buyers for that matter. So that's clearly the view. In fact, the other segment which is seeing a bit of profit booking is the PSUs. That's been the momentum, boys, and now you're seeing clearly that's where the big profit booking seems to be. Even in today's trade, the OMCs are down another 4-5% after correcting 10% from the rise. So clearly there is profit booking now visible across the PSU basket, whether it's from retail investors or from the HNI investors as well. Again, there are a couple of liquidity events to track after the expiry tomorrow. So watch out for the MSCI and the FTSE rebalancing. That will have an impact. And of course, the index rebalancing will get announced today. So that will have an impact on some individual names. You refer to the likes of Shriram Finance. So that is something to track. But frankly, the feedback is some bit of profit booking is clearly visible in the broader markets and the PSUs. But the flows are not very negative. Is the overall feedback as far as the flows are concerned.
Individual stocks, Nimesh, what's the chatter around them?
Well, bit of correction in the broader markets today. So a lot of stocks are from that space. The first stock is Varun Beverages. Big sell-off in that stock, down 4. I understand there is aggressive selling from the larger FIs in Varun Beverages. The problem in Varun Beverages is, Mangalam, it's heavily institutional owned within the FIs, and there is very less mutual. Any sharp sell-off from a larger FIs have a big impact on the stock price. So that's playing out in today's trade in Varun Beverages. The second stock is Max Financial, been one of the big outperformer in today's weak market, largely on back of strong buy flows, and also there was Jeffrey's note where they said things could be very strong going forward for Max Financial, and that's buzzing in trade today. The third name is Kirloskar Oil. This is standing out purely because after a long time, some bit of institutional interest seems to be back. Well, the stock is flat to marginal negative, but there is buying interest from larger institutions in Kirloskar Oil at these levels. And the last one is Juniper Hotels. Today's listing locked at upper circuit after listing. And I understand a leading domestic mutual fund has bought post the listing in today's trade. So the disclosures could be important there, but rank outperformer in a weak market again in today's trade.
Oh yeah, that listing's gone down really well, and it's been quite steady for Juniper Hotel so far. Thank you very much for all the action there, Nimesh. Well, with that, let's go back to